Dubuque County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bankston, or 14 miles west of Dubuque, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dubuque, Asbury, Rickardsville, Bankston, Graff, Lattonville, Cottage Hill, 5 Points, East Rickardsville, and Camp Little Cloud around 6 p.m. Sherrill and Durango around 6:05 p.m. Sageville around 6:10 p.m. Edmore around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Finley's Landing Park, Lock and Dam 11 and Mud Lake Park. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Dubuque, Iowa,